Good morning, everybody. As you guys saw, this morning I did like my morning stuff. I made my coffee, I gave breakfast to my son. There was a bit of dancing involved. Welcome to another vlog. We are actually in a parking lot. I don't know where I am. I'm a bit confused because y'all, every time I get my hair done, I seem to get lost or get like my lashes. The first time I go, I'm lost. It's never like a simple addy. Anyways, today's video is brought to you, sponsored by Irresistible Me. Shout out to them for sending me these beautiful tape-in extensions. They sent me 2 packs of the curly hair extensions. These are tape-ins, and they're in the color number 2 chocolate brown. Mainly because my hair, like the crown or like the base, whatever you want to call it, is like dark brown. It's like a 1B, but my ends are like really light, and every time I wear like 1B hair or black hair, my ends never match properly because my ends are very light. Like you guys can see here, it's brown, it's giving brown. So I figured I'd get a number 2. What I like is that they come with extra tapes as well if you want them to be like super secured. I got 16 inches. I do want to add tape ins to add more volume, and also my front bits are broken. Brisé, broken off, they're done. So my front bits are like everywhere, so I know that adding some length is going to, you know, help with that. I have 2 packs, and I also got the invisible tapes as well. So thank you, Irresistible Me, for partnering with me for this video and sending me these tape-ins. I'm very excited because I've been wanting tape-ins for a while, and honestly, it's the end of summer. Honestly, it's only 20 degrees today. It was 35. It was scorching hot last week, and this week is just very not hot. It's not cold, but it's not hot. So I feel like silk press season and tape-in season is now, because at least you know you won't be sweating it out. And I also have a discount code for you guys, which is irresistiblemE_Darcia, and you can get 5% off your order. So let me figure out what's going on with this hairdresser. I am going to go see Phenomenal Prime. She reached out to me to do my hair. When I saw that she does tape-ins and microlinks, I was like, yes. So Irresistible Me also offers tape-in extensions, clip-in extensions, as well as ponytails, clip-in volumizers, and they do have hair tools as well on their website. So it's a one-stop shop for anything hair. So yeah, I'm really excited. I've been wanting tape-ins for a while. You know, the it girls be wearing the tape-ins right now, and yeah, that should be really fun. And I'm happy I didn't go with like pitch black or like 1B, because I've been wanting to go lighter, but I didn't want to go blonde with my natural. I'm a scaredy cat, guys. I'm very scared of change. And these are like invisible tapes, which is gonna make it blend a lot more with my hair. So yeah, let me contact the hairdresser, and I'll see you guys when we get inside. I brought my tripod and everything for y'all because I really want you guys to see like the process. And also, a lot of people are able to do this themselves. It's just, it was my first time. I was a bit maybe in another vlog I can try to add some myself. I could do that too, or to add some length and stuff. Anyways, we'll see. But this time I'm getting it done by someone that knows what she's doing. We don't take chances. Okay, look, you guys know me. I'm a scaredy cat. Poule mouillé. Like, change is very hard for me. So yeah, anyways, thank you, Irresistible Me.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Yeah, dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bebé, yo soy fan de tu caminar. Te doy todo lo mío hasta mi respirar. Contigo veo todo como en espiral. Quiero tirarnos fotos y que se hagan mirar. Tus ojos me concentran con moderar. Contigo me sube lo verás. Te toco y todo el mundo deja de ir. Ahora nosotros ni la muerte nos va a separar. Bebé, yo soy tuyo nada más. Dile que conmigo te vas. Que dejen de tirarte. Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías. Conmigo te lo hacía. Got it, puppy.
Tonight is on an island. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth, and I'll take you there. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth, and I'll take you there. Take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cup's overflowing? I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. Said our time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to
Good morning, everybody. I'm at the Tim Hortons drive-thru. It's a couple days later. I haven't vlogged in a while. If you hear my voice, my baby caught a cold at daycare. Obviously he gave it to me, and obviously I gave it to Jimmy, but his is coming in, so we're trying to catch it before it actually like gets here. Acting like it's like some visit. I'm at Tim Hortons drive-thru because I just dropped off Attila. I'm on my way to my mom's house. She's like, oh, like she's on vacation, like she has a week off, so she's like, oh, I made pancakes. So I'm like, okay, I'm coming. So I'm bringing them Tim Hortons coffee. I prefer Starbucks, but my mom says Starbucks coffee is too like strong, so it gives her like palpitations. It does give me it does give me palpitations. It's just that I'm a bad bitch, so we're gonna work through it. Yeah, I get a iced cap mocha. I get an iced cap mocha, no whipped cream. That's my order. I'm getting my nails done today. My cousin's coming over. She does nails. My cousin's a nail tech now. And she did my nails. She did like this thin French. I lost one because I was picking at it. So yeah, but yeah, she's a nail tech now. It's lit out here. I went to bed so late last night. I went to bed really late last night. Me and Bae had like some serious talks, but like not like beefing, like just like stuff we wanted to talk about. And yeah, and he was really sweet. Actually, it was like teary-eyed. And yeah, it's good to do that sometimes, once in a while, you know, let each other know that we're like, we appreciate each other. Because I get so caught up with like, I have to film, I have to edit, I have to edit this reel, I have to film this reel, I have to do this TikTok, I have to take care of my son, I have to drop him off at daycare, I have to pick. It's too much. Then I neglect my man, and then I don't neglect him, but like vocally we had stuff to say. So yeah, we lit out here. Did we start planning the wedding? No. I get this question all the time. Weddings are a lot. I'm not ready. Like, I'm not ready yet to like dive into like wedding planning. Even with a planner, it's stressful. Have you seen these shows? You're crazy. It's almost pumpkin spice season. Whee! So excited. A box of 10 Timbits is $3 now. It was $2 last year. Same time last year it was $2. A muffin is $2. Hi, can I get a two medium ice caps?
You want 2 medium ice caps?
1 medium ice cap mocha, no whipped cream, and a medium coffee.
Okay, what's inside?
3 sugars, 2 creams. And can I have an extra cream on the side, please?
Is that it?
And I'll also get a box of 10 Timbits.
Mix?
Yes, please.
Is that all?
Yes.
$17.25.
Thank you so much.
No problem. Have a good day.
You too, thanks. Guys, this would have costed me $3.99 2 years ago. $17 of Tim Hortons. Literally put an extra $10 and go to the keg. I'm gonna start charging for my videos a bit more because life is getting expensive, baby. Guys, I hit 80K. 80K subscribers. 80K of you guys. That's insane. One is fine. Thank you. Have a good day. Of course I had to come here. They have so much more than last time. Look how cute this is. I really like this one.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated